Namaste children. In this video we are going to learn about Roman numerals. So before starting Roman numerals, the numbers which we are writing now, suppose 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 0 to 9. These numbers are first used by Hindus. Okay. Afterwards, these numbers are used by Arabs. So 0 to 9. These numbers are called Hindu Arabic numerals. Okay. Hindu Arabic numerals. Understood? These Roman numerals are originated in ancient Rome's. Okay, so Rome's they used to write numbers by using some symbols. They used 7 symbols for writing numbers. Okay, let us see what are those 7 symbols. The first one, I. I means 1. I means 1. And the second one, V. The second one is V. V means 5. V means 5. And the third one, X. The third one is X. X means 10. X means 10. L. L means 50. L means 50. Next, C. C means 100. C means 100. Next, D. D means 500. D means 500. Next, M. M. M means 1000. M means 1000. So, by using these 7 symbols, Romans used to write the numbers. Here in this, we don't have 0 in Roman numeral. So, there is no symbol for 0. There is no symbol for 0 in Roman numerals. Remember this point. In bits you will get like this also. They are dash basic symbols in Roman numerals. Means how many basic symbols? 7. 7 basic symbols. Now let us learn some rules in Roman numerals. The rule 1. Repetition of Roman numbers means addition. Repetition of Roman numbers is addition. For example, I. Here, I is repeated 2 times. Actually, I means 1. So, here we have written 2 times. That means we have to add. I means 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Next one, I plus I. Here, I is repeated 3 times. So, we have to add 1 3 times. So, answer is 3. The next one, X. Here, X is repeated twice. Here, X is repeated twice. So, X plus X. X means 10. So, 10 plus 10 is 20. 10 plus 10 is 20. Understood? Here, we have to remember one important point. I, X, C, M. I, X, C, M. I means 1, X means 10, C means 100, M means 1000. These 4 we can repeat. Okay? But we can repeat maximum 3 times. I, C, X, M. These we can repeat maximum 3 times. Okay? And V, L, D. V means 5, L means 50, D means 500. These three we should not repeat. Okay? V, L, D. These three we should not repeat. Remember these 2 points. Let us see the next rule. A smaller numeral written to the right of a greater numeral is always added to the greater numeral. I am reading once again. A smaller numeral written to the right of a greater numeral is always added to the greater numeral. Okay? If you see the example, then you can able to understand rule 2. Let us see what is that. Here, V, I. Okay? Here, V means how much? V means 5. V means 5. Okay? And I means 1. So, this is big, this is small. So, a smaller numeral is written to the right of the greater numeral. For V, we have written right side smaller one. Okay, this is big and small. Right side we are having smaller numeral. So, in this case, what we have to do? We always add to the greater numeral. So, here we have to add this smaller numeral to greater numeral. How? Let us see. So, here the greater numeral is V. The small one is I. So, here we are having big and small. So, we have to add. See, V means 5 plus I means 1. So, 5 plus 1 how much? 6. So, VI is 6. VI means 6. Let us see next example. X, X, V. See, X means 10. X means 10. Already in first rule we have learned. When the Roman numerals are repeated, what we have to do? Addition. So, X, how much? X means 10. So, 10 plus 10 is 20. Okay, here we are having big. See, big and V means 5. Again here right side we are having smaller one. So, we have to add. See how to write. First write X. X means 10 plus, again we are having X. So, plus 10 plus V means 5. So, plus 5. So, 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. So, XXV means 25. Next, rule number 3. A smaller numeral written to the left of a greater numeral is always subtracted from the greater numeral. I am reading once again. A smaller numeral written to the left of the greater numeral is always subtracted from the greater numeral. Okay? See, let us see the first example. IV. If you observe this question here, I means 1. I means 1. Next, V. V means 5. So, here we are having first smaller one, next greater one. Okay? See, if the smaller numeral is written to the left of the greater numeral, is always subtracted from the greater numeral. Okay? Previous rule, if big and next small numeral means we have to add. Just remember like this. Big, small, add. Small, big, subtract. Remember these two. Okay. Big, small, add. That is rule number 2. Small, big, subtract. That is rule number 3. So here we are having small and big. So we have to do subtraction. So we should not do like this. 1 minus 5. We should not do like this. We have to subtract from bigger Roman numeral. Okay, here the big one is 5. So we have to subtract like this. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Okay, big number minus small number. Whenever we are having smaller Roman numeral, next bigger Roman numeral means we have to do subtraction. Big one minus small one. See the next one, I, X. Here I means 1, X means 10. Again here we are having small and big. So small, big means we have to subtract. Big minus small. So here the big one is X. X means 10. 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 is 9. Understood? Next, rule number 4. When a smaller numeral is placed between two greater numerals, when smaller numeral is placed between two greater numerals, then it is always subtracted from the greater numeral just after it. Okay? When a smaller number is placed between two greater numerals, then it is always subtracted from the greater numeral next to it. Okay? Let us do this one. X, I, V. Here X means 10. I means 1. V means 5. Here 10 is greater than 1. 5 is greater than 1. Here the 1 is placed between 10 and 5. So we have to subtract the smaller one next to the number. Okay? See, first write greater numeral as it is. What we are having here? X. X means 10. Place. Next see, small and big. Already we have learned in rule number 3. Small, big means we have to subtract. How we have to subtract? Big number minus small number. So 5 minus 1. So 10 plus 5 minus 1 is 4. So 10 plus 4 is 14. Understood? Let us do the next one. X, X, I, X. Here X, X. See, here smaller one is placed between two greater numerals. So first write the symbol for X. X means 10. Plus, again we are having X. So plus 10 plus, if you see here, small and big. Okay, small and big. Small, big means we have to subtract. How we have to subtract? Big number minus small number. So X means 10, I means 1. So 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1. So how much 10 plus 10? 20 plus 10 minus 1? 9. So 20 plus 9? 29. Okay. See, where you will do mistake means, see here you will write 10. X means again write 10. Big and small. These two we should not see like this. Okay. When the smaller Roman numeral is placed between two greater numerals, we have to subtract from the greater numeral just after it. Here 1 is placed between two greater numerals. So we have to subtract with the greater numeral just after it, not before 1, after. So here 1 after we are having 10. So 10 minus 1. Understood, children, these 4 rules? Now complete the given assignment in your HWs. Thank you.